Hi, I'm Dama. In the next few days. Hi, Dama. Hi, I'm Dama. So. Hi, I'm Dama.
From the storyboard, definitely I rewrote the treatment more and more. And give me really a sense of what I miss, what I need more, and open up. Sometimes you have to have some key frames. Yep. The main boss from the beginning, the first guy, we're gonna have him walking out of building. Then we have around him we see the binocular look, you know, like when somebody's looking in binoculars, so you have that kind of mask. So you see somebody's following. Then we cut to a close-up of a girl, one of the girls from the gang, with the binocular, talking on the phone and giving like an okay sign, like okay, I get him.
That's sad outside.
I'm looking for location because studio we have
one in
office
the
scene.
Office scene we can use over here.
We'll see, yeah, we can set up anywhere.
Right, there's a party scene.
There's a party scene in a club.
In a club.
Complex, right? Yeah.
Okay.
We had such grand plans for the music video. We were going to have a huge cast for the party. We were going to use like the best locations. But when the quotes came in, it was just way over the budget. So Eric, who's brilliant, came up with this. He said he was going to shoot the inside of a headlight for my set and then shoot me separately and put the two together.
We have a rundown warehouse with a lot of character we can do. A bit like the St. James Park house before they renovated, remember?
There? The entire place?
Oh, nice. It's big.
It's very, very big. This place is fantastic.
I think that's where we should be. It has the feel, right? We'll be right. Acting, you will give that gritty feel we want.
Yeah.
Are you scared, Nico? Ooh. Come on, guys. You know, the old circuit board. Which one is it? The older one. Not this one. Come on, please. Come on, there's the privacy, there's the radio, the sound is terrible, I mean. Yes.
Well, somebody, you come here first.
Okay, and then take me there, okay. This thing that it's been on itself, right?
We also have cold room. So business is booming, huh? It's not against the wall.
Can I see the end of this
like
alley? All this here, okay, good, right? I like this spot because it's more open. You see what? It's nice framing to do things. Okay, then more okay for now. The first part was better. Then what are we doing?
Yeah, I'm filming.
We don't have to. That's it. Cut it. The sound is terrible. You're not gonna be able to use any of it. I don't think you realize it. Emma, you're wasting film.